What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and I'm out here with my new build. This is the BBB 128, and so this frame, I had it for quite a while, but I just never got the time to build it out. And so this frame kit came with motors and all. It didn't come with any electronics besides the motors. These motors here are the BBB 1606 3500 kV, and so pretty powerful motor here, a large size rather for this size prop. These are 3-inch props. These are the Gem Fan Flash 3052s. This company BBB, or Born to Be Best, is actually derived from Emax, I think. I heard that this company was started by somebody who had some association with Emax and then left and did their own thing with this. I think they're still around. I have seen smaller BBB motors, but this kit here is actually hard to find. I had this for some time, as I said, and I finally got to build it out. I was having a little problem with the ESC. Now, I did see a couple reviewers review this thing, and they were claiming that this was really heavy. It is really heavy because of these motors here. It does feel a little hefty. It's built like a tank, and most reviewers were saying that this thing didn't have a lot of punch. And I noticed that most people were flying this on 3S, and batteries have gotten a lot better these days, especially with G&B on the scene. This is the 650 milliamp hour 4S, so I'm going to be flying this on 4S. You're not going to get good performance or a nice punch out on 3S anyhow. It's not optimal for something this heavy. It does come with this run cam here. This is a run cam mini, I believe. And this stack that I have in here, stacks and ESCs in particular, have gotten better these days. I could have easily just thrown a 25 amp ESC stack in here from Emax. The Emax Baby Hawk R has a stack this size, and it's 25 amps on the ESCs. But these ESCs, and well, this whole stack is actually from the Baby Hawk R, the first Baby Hawk R. So these are only 15 amp ESCs. It's an F3 board, but it should be enough to do 4S with this thing. So enough of me rambling. Let's get it in the air. I'm just going to do a few punch outs and some flippy floppies, as Still would say. But let's get it up in the air. I got this iFlight strap on here as well. It came with this nice little rubber grip on the bottom to hold the battery. Check it out. Let's look at the punch out. So as you can see, this thing has a really nice punch out, it seems. So it looks like a winner to me. Really punchy. So really powerful motors. I actually have some 1606 motors from iFlight that are actually 4100 kV. So I'm going to put those motors on something too, and I expect it to have even more punch than this thing. Especially on the lighter setup. This setup is pretty heavy. So let's bring it back in. I think we did enough flippy floppies. So it's the Born to Be Best, or BBB 128 frame with 15 amp ESCs. This is actually the Emax stack that was in the Baby Hawk R. And this thing has 1606 3500 kV motors. 650 G&B 4S. Pretty awesome. Thanks for watching.